So we can look at our shell from the demo student eyes, so we can see how the student can see what we're working on, and that gives us a last-minute opportunity to quality check. So we start on the home page, and we see the little eye with the arrows at the top. Clicking on that will ask us if we want to enter the student preview. It takes just a moment to do that, and let's look at it in real time. We can click on any of the links that we might normally click, and we will see how it looks to our students. So for instance, if we look at one of our content modules, we can look and see that all of our links work, that our images show up. And then to get out of that preview, we just hit the exit preview button. It's going to ask us if we're sure that we want to do that and if we want to collect any data. And then we are back in our regular shell. Last chance for quality checks. Good luck.